In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Gestures. Select one-handed mode and click on gray switcher next to Use one-handed mode to activate it. Following that, make sure that Full Screen into Reach is on. And last but not least, swipe down from the bottom of your screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, you can swipe up or click on this gray area at the top. To disable one-handed mode, you use the same switcher as before. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can't access one-handed mode by swiping down. You need to click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut, hit OK, and then use one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut. You can go back by selecting the same one, or clicking on this area at the top. To disable it, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!